Hello friends, a warm welcome to Tanushree Reading Room. This week we are continuing with the segment Playing with Words. Lesson 5. Today's word is anniversary. He invited all his colleagues for his marriage anniversary. Last year my parents had a grand celebration of their 25th marriage anniversary. Next month we'll be calling all our relatives for my grandma's death anniversary. He has bought a diamond ring for his wife on their 5th anniversary. He has never invited me to his anniversary party. This year, Ria is going to Switzerland to celebrate her marriage anniversary. Have you done all the necessary bookings for your anniversary party? Did you enjoy your anniversary in Spain? So friends, now let us have a minute observation of all the usages of anniversary in the corresponding sentences. Sentence 1. He invited all his colleagues for his marriage anniversary. So here the term marriage anniversary is being used to suggest that a particular person has invited all his colleagues for a happy event, that is his marriage anniversary. Here the term anniversary is being used as a noun. Last year, my parents had a grand celebration of their 25th marriage anniversary. In this sentence also, just exactly like sentence 1, the term anniversary has been used as a noun as well as to signify a happy event. Next month, we will be calling all our relatives for my grandma's death anniversary. Here again, the word anniversary is being used as a noun, but it is suggesting something sad, some sad event. He has bought a diamond ring for his wife on their 5th anniversary. Specifically, for their 5th anniversary, a person has bought a diamond ring for his wife. He has never invited me to his anniversary party. So here, what kind of a party it is? It is an anniversary party, and a specific person has never invited another specific person for his anniversary party. This year, Ria is going to Switzerland to celebrate their marriage anniversary. Here again it is suggesting a happy event. A particular person is being talked about. Have you done all the necessary bookings for your anniversary party? Again, what kind of party it is? Anniversary party. So, a particular event is being talked about. Did you enjoy your anniversary in Spain? Somebody had gone to celebrate their anniversary in Spain and they are being asked about. So friends, this is very normal, and every day these kinds of sentences are uttered by us quite casually. We use a single word in several occasions and for several purposes. So here, I think by now you are already accustomed to this segment, because earlier I had also uploaded some lessons on playing with words which you had gone through, and I have got a lot of views and comments, but I felt like continuing with this segment for a few more lessons so that you get some more examples, some more you can say lessons to practice, because hardly 3 or 4 lessons becomes a bit you can say a bit limited. So in order to elaborate my discussion on playing with words, this is again a few set of lessons that I am sharing with you. So I hope you are practicing my lessons and you are liking them, you are loving them, and you are finding them helpful. If not, tell me your some suggestions and your comments, what all I can do to elaborate and to clarify my lessons all the more, what all I can do to help you better. And do share your problems with me while you are practicing my lessons, while you are going through my lessons. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, then do it today itself. Tanushree's Reading Room. Just type it in the search bar of YouTube and you will find it out, and do subscribe so that you get the latest and daily updates of whatever lessons I am sharing with you all. I think that will be an easier way of communicating. And moreover, I have also noticed that some people, they think that these kinds of lessons are just boring because they are not having any interesting videos and all. But friends, I have tried to keep my lessons absolutely study centric, so that your focus is only upon learning and nothing else. So if you are not getting time throughout the day, at bedtime you can take out a few minutes just to go through my lessons and try to recapitulate whatever things you have forgotten from your school years, from your early childhood years, whatever areas you want to refresh in your memories. You can find them out in my channel, and you can share your feedback, your comments, your suggestions with me, so that I understand what more I can do to make my lessons a better experience for you all. Friends, I hope you all are absolutely fit and fine, and I would suggest that always try to think that there is never an end to anything. It's not never too late. If you have not yet started going through these online lessons, do it today itself. I assure you they will be of great help to you, and they will be really easy to grasp, easy to retain in your minds. Hardly a couple of minutes, and it can bring great changes. And it can also help you to avoid the boredom of going through longer lessons, because I'm trying to keep my lessons absolutely short, crisp, and I'm trying to devote very less time in every lesson, so that it is easy for you to take out a few minutes from your daily schedule and focus upon learning something new, or rejuvenating your forgotten things, or trying to refresh the stuffs that are in your mind but they have been buried under the busy schedules that you are having every day. So friends, do like my if you really like my lessons, then please do like, share and comment for them, and please give me your feedback. I'm waiting for your feedback, and I'm waiting to help you further. I'm always there for you. Be confident, be motivated, be positive, and be always sure about one thing, that you are the best. You can give the best, and you can do the best to others. So friends, see you in my next lesson with something new, some new set of sentences, some new set of words, some new experiences. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.